for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to sign out from your Etsy account. Start by navigating to the Etsy homepage. You can do this by typing etsy.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with an Etsy's wide array of unique items and categories. On the Etsy homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your account option, which is your gateway to managing your Etsy account. Click on the Your Account options. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options for managing your account. Scan for the Sign Out option. This is typically located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on the Sign Out to initiate the logout process. Etsy might briefly display a message confirming that you are being signed out. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.